Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of FruityBit. Today we're going to highlight some new features of an integration between ServiceNow and Microsoft Teams. My name is Luc de Graham. I'm a technical consultant for Fruition Partners.
And my name is Wouter de Waal, and I'm a ServiceNow architect. And today we're going to show you two new features for the Microsoft Teams integration. And we're going to start with actionable notifications. And we can use this, for example, in incidents when we need more information from a user. We send a notification in Teams, and the user can directly reply on that in Microsoft Teams without going to ServiceNow. And secondly, we're going to talk about the collaboration between the agent and the employee and directly start the conversation in ServiceNow with the user. And after the conversation, we can then import the messages in ServiceNow. Now let's have a look in the demo.
First off, we're going to show you the actionable notifications. So right here, we have an incident. Right now, we are the agent working on this incident, which is test user 2, and our caller in this case is test user 3. The user has an issue right now with a slow network connection. He or she mentions that the network connection has been slow all day. However, we require some extra information from the user. So we click on the button, customer info requested, and we ask the user for extra information. So in this case, we ask him, can you please provide information in regards to which application and when this happens. Then we press update, and then we see the incident state go to awaiting customer. However, rather than waiting for an email notification, the user has received a notification within Microsoft Teams. You can see the message that the agent has asked the user, and then the user can send a reply. So let's say it happens in all applications at any time. Send. So right now we have sent the notification back through Microsoft Teams. And then when we go back to our ticket, we see the incident state has gone back to updated, and we can see that what the user has typed in Teams is now available within the ticket itself.
Wow, this is amazing, Luke. Can we also use this for other features like approvals, maybe?
Good question, Wouter. Yes. Right now we've shown it for incidents. However, you can make triggers for all kinds of records. For example, an approval on a requested item, or maybe for a change. It's all possible.
Okay, so now let's have a look at the second feature, the collaboration between the agent and the employee. If we have more questions about the slow network connection, we can initiate a Microsoft Teams chat directly with the caller. So let's click on the Start Microsoft Teams Chat button to open Microsoft Teams, and I'll open that in the web browser and open the chat with the caller. So it opens the chat, and I can ask the question if he can explain more about the network performance issues. And if we get a reply from the caller, we see he's connected to VPN, so let's ask if he can restart his VPN. It seems that worked. So we see a nice conversation message and also the GIF that we see. Let's see if we can put that back into the incident, because we want to have full traceability of actions that we did and if it was successful or not. So let's go back to ServiceNow, and I can click on the import messages from Microsoft Teams. It will show all the messages from my conversation with the caller, and I can actually select the right messages that I want to import into the ticket. I can select all messages from today, but also one by one I can select the relevant chat. So let's import the messages. All right, so that is successfully attached. And if I scroll down, we also see that on the additional comments in my activity, including the GIF as well. And now we have full traceability of the steps that we did in Microsoft Teams, but we have that traceability in ServiceNow on the incident ticket. And now we can resolve the incident. Okay, so now let's resolve the incident. So the incident is resolved. And what happens is the user gets a notification that the incident is resolved. So let me go to Teams and open the Teams chat from the user 3, from the employee. And what you see is that there's a new notification. The incident is resolved. And we can actually go to the incident if I want to reopen that.
All right, thank you, Wouter, and thank you for watching this episode of FruityBit. If you have any more questions, please do not hesitate to contact us, and see you next time.